Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to try my own flocking recipe. Alright, so what we've done so far, I just pulled my tree out and I put down this chart because of course this stuff is going to get everywhere. And I brought the tree out and fluffed it already. Now I'm not going to be using the regular flocking because it was kind of too last minute to order it. My regular stores or my craft stores here in town didn't carry it. But let me show you what I came up with and we're going to see if this recipe works. Alright, so for this recipe, what I am going to do, first I'm going to spray my tree with this snow spray, which we all have seen. And then I got these buffalo snow flurries from Michael's. And as you can see, this was $4, so pretty reasonable. And it is like it's actually kind of like the snow that you use when people do like the little town displays. So I have this, and then I also have some spray adhesive. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to spray the tree with the flat white snow, and then I'm going to put some spray adhesive on it, and then we're going to sprinkle snow flurries all over it and see if we can get it to a flock look. Now I did purchase 2 of these bags. I'm sorry if y'all can't see, I know the sun, there it is. So I purchased 2 of these bags, and then I purchased one. It just kind of has a little bit of glitter to it, a little shine to it, a little shimmer. So I'm going to do this one on top too. So we're going to see how this goes. Hopefully it'll look somewhat flocked. Alright, so I'm going to start with the snow first and get a white coating all over the tree. Alright you guys, so this is just after the can of spray, and it actually is not looking bad. But of course for the flock look, if you know, the flocking looks like snow clumped up on the tree. So what we're going for is a clumped look. To show you what it looks like with just the spray. So this is just the spray, and I'm noticing how it covered up my lights, but hopefully the lights will shine through. But so this is just the spray by itself. But like I said, what we're going for is a clumpy, snowy look. So that's why I purchased the snow flurry. So now I am going to get the spray adhesive and spray in spots, and then place the snow flurries on top of the spray adhesive. And let's see how that looks. Alright, so I want to get up close to show you guys. So first I'm going to do the spray adhesive, and I'm just going to spray it right here on this branch. So right there on that stem, I'm going to try and set some of those snow flurries right on top. And as you can see, that makes it clumpy, not just like flat white paint. So you can see the difference between this branch here and this one. Y'all, so I kind of discovered something. Actually, if I do the snow first and then do the spray adhesive, it seems to be working a little bit better. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go through and kind of dump this all over. It's flying everywhere. This stuff is going everywhere. So instead of trying to take it out with my hand and place it onto the branches, what I'm doing is getting it, sorry, it was a car. What I'm doing is getting closer to the tree and kind of just shaking it all over the tree, and then I'll spray the adhesive on top. Y'all, I'm having a very hard time with this because it is blowing and flying everywhere, and I'm trying to get it to stick. The places where it is sticking, it looks really good. Hold on, let me see if I can get up close and show y'all. Y'all see this branch right here? So it's sticking really well, but there we go. But I'm just trying to stop it from flying everywhere. So I don't know, maybe I should try to put it on with a cup or something. Try to like squirt it out the bag like that. And it's somewhat working, but I guess because of the wind, it's just gonna blow. So all right, y'all, we still have snow flurries flying everywhere, but let me give you guys a glimpse of what it is looking like now. To be completely honest with you guys, it is not exactly what I wanted, but I think it still turned out pretty decent. I am gonna have to go back to the store because, as you can see, this side is naked. I ran out, so I'm gonna have to go get some more, but it's not that bad. So you can see those flurries definitely stuck to the tree. See, they definitely stuck to the tree with the adhesive on there. Now of course some of it is still coming off a little bit, so I'm going to leave it outside and just give it a little time to dry, but it stuck on there very well. You move out you guys' way so you can see. Yeah, it's stuck on there very well. So I do have to go get some more. So as you guys saw, I had 2 bags of the flurries, and then the one that was kind of I don't know, I thought it was going to make it sparkly, but when I took it out of the bag, it was only like plastic. You know what, let me show y'all. Yeah, so let me show y'all what this one looked like. So if you want it to look like frost, I wouldn't get this one. This one is just, y'all see that? This is just plastic pieces, just like shredded plastic, that's all. So that was not going to work, but this is just the alternative. If you all wanted to have your tree look like a flocked tree, the actual flocking, like it looks just like this, but you spray it with water and it adheres. The actual flocking comes in about a 25-pound bag from Amazon, and I believe it's almost 60 bucks, like $56, $57, something like that. Of course, I'm going to come back and do a video with it all decorated and all of that good stuff, but right now, here is our frosted or flocked tree. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you on the next video. All right, y'all, I had to come back on real quick to show you guys. Doing it outside is probably not the best idea, because bringing it in the house, OMG, is snow everywhere. So I got my vacuum out. I am about to vacuum up all of this. If you're gonna try this, maybe just put a tarp down in your house and then put the flurries on. I don't know, but this is kind of the aftermath of this craft. So I just wanted to come and show you guys so you can kind of know what to be prepared for, and then, you know, decide if you really want to do this or not. A lot of it came off, but a lot of it is still on too. So yeah, just want to let y'all know that it will be messy. Okay, bye.